Morning children, in previous video we have studied about man and apes. Now we are going to study about stages of human evolution. In this video we are going to study that how human has changed himself from this structure to this. Okay, actually the early human, which we call humanid, was first appeared in Africa. This we already studied. The person who the human which was appeared in Africa was called as again Australopithecus. Okay, what we call Australopithecus. This is the name of early human who was discovered in Africa. Their name, now meaning of this name is southern ape. Actually they were living naked, they were not wearing any cloth. Okay, and they used to eat animals, fruits, nuts, insects and worm. Then came our Homo habilis. Okay, that had again some advanced human like characteristic. Earlier they were totally looking like an animal, but this one Homo habilis was having a human like character, the present human like character. Okay, then about 1.8 million years ago came the next change, that is Homo erectus. This is the next this stage, Homo erectus. The meaning of Homo erectus means upright man. Okay, but after the upright man, Homo erectus, we are having again the next one, that is your Neanderthal. Okay, this came into existence, and finally the Homo sapiens. Okay, which is your wise human being. The first Homo sapien had a heavier build and were stronger than a modern human. Now we are not that strong, but the first Homo sapien was very strong. Next is our evidence. That how evidence means proofs of early human. Since early ages humans were nomads means they were moving from one place to other. The person who moves from one place to other, they lived in natural homes, like you all know natural homes means caves and all. Okay, shelters like dark caves and treetops, they were living on over there. They wore no clothes, sometimes covered themselves with the leaves or animal skin. Early human did not know how to read and write, therefore there are no written record of their time. But this knowledge which we are discussing now, we get from early humans. We get from where? From fossils, the cave paintings and stone tools used in those times. We got all these things, and we again come to know that how they have changed themselves. Then comes fossils. Fossils we all know are the remains of living things, and that have been turned into stone or have left an impression on the stone. Okay, in early 1920s, the humanoids were first discovered in Africa. This we discussed many times. Okay, the remains showed the impression of tiny skull or a brain. The fossil which they got, they showed the impression of a small skull or brain, you may say. The impression was very small, its shape was rounded, unlike that of chimpanzees or gorillas. Okay, and moreover it is looking like a modern human brain. Now in 1974, the most fossilized bone which we got, that is of Lucy. Okay, it was actually this collection of fossilized bone that once made up the skeleton of humanid female. Okay, she is believed to have lived in Ethiopia 3.2 million years ago. Again they discovered a Lucy. Okay, a fossilized structure they got, and they again arranged that skeleton, okay, in a proper human body, like a proper human body. And the skeleton which they got, that is of a female, and because of this they gave the name Lucy. And it is believed that this Lucy must have been lived there in Ethiopia in about 3.2 million years ago. Now beta next comes our cave paintings. Okay, this cave paintings we'll discuss in next video.